JLPT and 4 quiz. Potential form of Group 1 verbs, U verbs. In Japanese, the potential form is used to express the ability or possibility to do something. For Group 1 verbs, U verbs, you change the final U sound in the dictionary form to the corresponding E sound and then add ru to form the potential verb. Conjugation patterns with Romaji and examples. Row, negative nai form, polite mas form, dictionary, potential, Romaji example, and explanation. Awanai, aimas, au, airu. To meet becomes able to meet. Kakanai, kakimas, kaku, kakeru. To write becomes able to write. Oyoganai, oyogimas, oyogu, oyogeru. To swim becomes able to swim. Hanasanai, hanashimasu, hanasu, hanaseru. To speak becomes able to speak. Tatanai, tachimasu, tatsu, tateru. To stand becomes able to stand. Shinanai, shinimasu, shinu, shineru. To die becomes able to die, though this is rarely used. Yobanai, yobimasu, yubu, yuberu. To call becomes able to call. Yumanai, yumimasu, yumu, yumeru. To read becomes able to read. Shiranai, shirimasu, shiru, shiriru. To know becomes able to know. Explanation. Identify the verb group. All verbs listed in this chart are group 1 U verbs, meaning their dictionary form ends in an U sound. Kaku for to write, oyugu for to swim. Change the final syllable. For potential form, change the final U sound to the corresponding E sound. For kaku, the ku changes to ke, making kake. For yugu, the gu changes to ge, making oyoge. Add ru after changing the last syllable and add ru to form the potential verb. Kaki becomes kakiru, meaning can write. Oyoge becomes oyogeru, meaning can swim. The potential form now expresses the ability to perform the action. Kaku, kakeru, to write, can write. Oyogu, oyogeru, to swim, can swim. Note: the potential form conjugates like a group 2 ru verb once transformed. Thus, kakeru behaves like other ru verbs. Example, taberu. For polite form, attach mas to the potential form, kakeru becomes kakemas. Group 1 U verbs. For Group 1 U verbs, the potential form is created by changing the final E sound in the mas form to the corresponding E sound and then adding mas. Conjugation for Group 1 U verbs. Otaimasu, otaimasu, kakimasu, kakimasu, oyogimasu, oyogemasu, hanashimasu, hanasimasu, machimas, matimas, asobimas, asobimas, yumimas, yomimas, torimas, torimas. Group 2 rule verbs. For Group 2 rule verbs, the potential form is created by replacing the final mas with shirimas, tabimas, tabirarimas, okimas, okirarimas, imas, irarimas, orimas, orirarimas, karimas, karirarimas. Group 3 irregular verbs. There are two irregular verbs, shimas, dekimas, kimas, korarimas. Filling in the hiragana in the parentheses. Let's fill in the missing hiragana in the parentheses. E, ke, ge, se, te, be, me, re. For the second part, tabirarimas, okirarimas, irarimas, orirarimas, karirarimas. For the third part, dekimas, korarimas. Summary. Group 1 verbs, U verbs, change the final E syllable in the mas form to the corresponding A syllable, then add mas. Group 2 verbs, Ru verbs, simply add rarimas to the verb stem. Group 3 verbs, irregular verbs, Suru shimas becomes dekimas and kuru okimas becomes korarimas. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Matane!